The BenQ CP05 Corporate Interactive Display makes screen sharing simple, whether you prefer a wired connection or a fully wireless setup. Let's start with the traditional wired method. To share your screen, connect your laptop using your preferred cable, either HDMI or USB-C. The BenQ board should automatically switch to your connected source. If it doesn't switch automatically, tap the connection button at the bottom of the home screen or in the sidebar menu and select the corresponding HDMI or USB-C source. When you're ready to return to the board interface, simply tap the sidebar and tap the home button. Pro tip: if you're using a USB-C cable, you'll experience two additional benefits. Touchback control, which allows you to operate your laptop directly from the BenQ board screen, and up to 65 watts of charging to keep your laptop powered throughout your presentation. Another way to share your laptop, but also any device, such as smartphones or tablets, is using our wireless screen sharing solution, InstaShare 2. Tap here to launch InstaShare. Then tap Share Without App to display the connection information for your device. For devices using AirPlay, make sure your device is connected to the same network as the board. Then, open Screen Mirroring and select the board's name. To share using Google Cast, also ensure you're on the same network as the board. In the Chrome browser, open the menu, select Cast, and then select the board's name. If your device supports Miracast, you don't even need to join a specific network. Just make sure Wi-Fi is enabled, then select the board from your list of available devices. On a Windows laptop, for example, press Windows key plus K to show the available devices. You can also share directly from a web browser. Simply go to the address shown here under Webcasting. Enter the session ID and optionally your name. Select Device to Board. Choose whether you'd like to share a browser tab, a specific app, or your entire screen, and start presenting. That's it. With the CP05, you can share your screen quickly and securely, using the method that works best for you and your team. If you want to learn more about the BenQ CP05, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.